India has two major ambitions for this century. Viksit Bharat by 2047, the 100th year of its independence, and to be net zero by 2070. Both these goals can only be achieved with a complete transformation of society by smarter technologies, which can optimize processes and create a sustainable ecosystem for the next generation of industries. To achieve these ambitious goals, an innovation-driven cohesive ecosystem is being developed called MET. The MET ecosystem holds immense potential to drive India's global manufacturing leadership and propel the nation towards achieving its goal of a GDP of $30 trillion by 2047 and generating over 100 million jobs, which aligns with the Government of India's vision to make India a developed nation. MET is not just about making things. It's about making them faster, cleaner, and smarter. To fulfill this vision, New Age Makers Institute of Technology, NAMTECH, is being set up as India's first MET institution. NAMTECH seeks to enable this transformation and meet the demands of the new age industry, with focus on addressing and mitigating the talent gap by preparing a highly skilled workforce and future leaders capable of driving transformation in India. Our mission is to transform engineers of today into conscious technologists of tomorrow by training them in new age manufacturing, one that is digitalized, decarbonized, and advanced.
इंडस्ट्री और एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट्स एक दूसरे की जरूरतों को समझे और उन्हें पूरा करें। युवाओं को तेजी से बदलती दुनिया के साथ चलने का मौका मिले, उन्हें प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग के लिए प्लेटफॉर्म मिले। इसके लिए सभी स्टेक होल्डर्स को एक साथ आना होगा।
Our Prime Minister's vision for NAMTECH is that this should become an institution which clearly focuses on manufacturing in the new age and develops talent both at the working level on the shop floor as well as in the lab and higher level as well as at the research level.
NAMTECH's developing campus is spread across 150 acres of land with a built-up area of 6 million square feet and is designed to be a living learning laboratory that will nurture 15,000 learners every year. Its first tower, called MET1, a state-of-the-art experiential center, will be ready by 2027. At NAMTECH's current campus, located at IIT Gandhinagar in Gujarat, it has 4 MET innovation schools built for excellence: School for Manufacturing Technologies, School for Manufacturing Design and AI, School for Robotics, and School for Sustainability. The experiential pedagogy of the innovation schools has been established in partnership with some of the leading industry experts and top institutes in the US, Europe, and Singapore. NAMTECH welcomes the leading tech schools such as IITs, IIITs, NITs, etc. to co-create innovative solutions which will change the landscape of the manufacturing space. It is also designing many customized solutions by partnering with leading corporate houses, supporting the future-ready technologists of tomorrow. These partnerships are crucial to driving innovation, fostering economic growth, and addressing the country's socio-economic challenges in real terms. However, NAMTECH's mission to bring about a transformation and to inspire humane capital at scale expands much beyond its own campus. Through our Sharing Technology initiative, we are transforming ITIs by improving their curricula and pedagogy and providing access to industry-grade equipment, thus making aspiring makers industry-ready. The Moving Campus, or Labs on Wheels, is a truly unique feature of this program through which we aim to train 3 million learners in the next decade, contributing directly to national goals for talent creation, equity, and prosperity. The first success story from NAMTECH came when 2 students from its inaugural batch bagged India's first ever Medal in Industry 4.0 at the prestigious World Skills competition held in France in 2024. At NAMTECH, we are creating India's next generation workforce. This workforce will be of makers who can adapt to the changing needs of the industry and society. Makers who can bring about an impact at scale and propel India's growth story.